Food-grade silicone, made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can use in any type of food. And it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. NO-bend and NO-break and healthy for cookware. Our kitchen utensils are more sturdy than other usual wooden kitchen utensils, ensures daily use for a long time without being worn down. Designed not to bend, break or rust. High temperature withstand. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius. All-around silicone added to the softness, no longer worry food will stick your cookware. Silicone head protect your pans, keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. Extend the life of all your kitchen pans, they are scratch resistant, unlike plastic and rubber utensils that will easily melt or metal kitchen utensils harm your non-stick pots. 33 durable wooden handle kitchen utensil set, anti-scalding protect your hand from burning. 33 professional silicone kitchen utensil set includes flexible spatula, soup ladle, serving spoons, pasta server, spatula turner, tongs, measuring cup and spoons, 10 hooks, silicone mat and so on. Meet your all kinds of kitchen needs. Because of the wooden handle, we don't recommend soaking in water for a long time or dishwasher cleaning. Best kitchen tools, 1-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper.